Yo, we're back again with another video. Yo, so today we're actually working on this badass truck behind me. Yeah, it's the Ram 1500 TRX. Only 875 made of these. What can I say? It's fucking badass. So we're actually gonna go take it inside the shop, and then we're gonna install the rock lights, RGB color. Shit, I'm like out of words. This shit is fucking bad. I think the horsepower on this is 702 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken. And check it out. Yo, so I'm about to show you guys the interior right now. Man, this thing is impressive. Yo, Dodge killed it on this one. Check it out. Look at this stitching, guys. With the carbon fiber, fuck. It's out of control, man. Carbon. Yo, so stay tuned. Currently driving it right now. We're about to put it inside the shop, install the rock lights RGB. So we were hoping we could do the ending of the video after we install the rock lights, but it was just too late. Yesterday was a hectic day on a Sunday. And yeah, we're open 7 days a week. So if you guys ever need any work, like I said, just reach us out on Instagram, Next Level Works. Email, phone number. Make it easier, you can always just call the number and we'll be able to assist you a little faster. But anyways, right here I'm standing right in front of the TRX so you guys can see the rock lights, how we installed them. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel and just share it to anybody you guys like. Check it out. Yo, one more thing. I was actually gonna go all the way up, but the truck is too fucking high. I was almost hitting the fucking top of the roof, so we're like, fuck that. So we're going back to the shop now. Peace.